So here's the Sony A6300, and let's see how to use the custom one button to record videos. So the default button is this one on the side, is a tiny one, you can barely press it, it's not sticking out. Okay, so let's program this one, the C1. Power on the camera using that one, then press the menu button, menu, and come here to the gear icon, so go up and to the right and come down to the 7th page, this one. Okay, and custom key shoot, enter there using the center button, and here we have custom button 1, the first one, and it's not set, so enter there and go up until you see movie. This is it, movie. Accept it with the center button. So custom button 1 is set to movie. Now exit from here using the menu button. Okay, and let's try this. So this is recording. You can see the record there. You can stop it, so it's still usable, but you can use the C1 button also, and it's also recording. You can stop it with the same C1, so you can start it with the red button and you can stop it with the other, or start it with the custom one and stop it with the record button.